Another question. Do you like apples? Do you like apples? Do you like apples? Or don't you like apples? Good, well done. Let's practice it again. If it's I like, we say, I like apples. Good. If you don't like it, we say, I don't like apples. Superstar, very good. High five. Woo! Okay, you ask me. Teacher, do you like apples? No, I don't like apples. Very good. High five. Woo! Last question. How are you? How are you? Are you happy or sad? How are you? I am. Very good. Well done. Give me a high five. Whee! Okay, you ask me. Teacher, how are you? Oh, I am happy. Very good. That was amazing. Okay, it's time to sing la 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 the alphabet song. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
ABC song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. I'm so glad you sang with me.
Bing, 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 bing. Wow, that was so good. Well done. Give me a big high five. Whee! Superstar. Okay, now we are going to have a look. What letter is this? Good. C, K. Oh, okay. And what is this? Ooh, what is it? Cookie. Oh, very good. Do you like cookies? Yes or no? Okay, I know who likes cookies. The Cookie Monster! Ah, he ate the cookie. All right, next one. What letter is Good. E, eh. You try. All right. And what is this? Yes. Elephant. Excellent. Elephant. Well done, superstar. What letter is this? B, B. Good. Excellent. Teacher is eating ooh, blueberries. Can you say it? Blueberries. Ah, I like blueberries. Ah, yummy. Okay, next one. What letter is this? Good. H, 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 H. Very good. And what do I have on my head? Oh, it's a hat. Can you try? Good. Hat. Excellent. And what was this? Okay, helicopter. You try. Yay, well done. Give me a big high five. Whee! Okay, what letter is this? Okay, I-E, I-E. Good job. Ooh, what is this? Yummy, yummy. What is it? Ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Yes or no? Good. Okay, you ask me. Teacher, do you like ice cream? Yes, I like ice cream. So yummy. Ah. Delicious. Okay, next one. What letter is, let's see, this? Okay, J, 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 J. Good. What is teacher doing? Dum, dum. What am I doing? Jumping. Good. Can you jump? Let's jump 10 times. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you say it? 10 jumps. Very good. Well done. Okay. What letter is? What letter is this one? Let's have a look here. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, good. So L, 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 L. Very good. L, L, L. Oh, what's this? Lion. Roar. Can you say it? Lion. Well done, superstar. You are amazing. High five. Whee! Okay, let's say the alphabet one more time. All right, so we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Very good. And now the sounds. Okay. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, Y, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yes, you are amazing. Very good. Okay, let's have a look at another song. We are going to sing 10 kittens. 1, 2, 3, go.
10 little kittens.
10 little kittens sitting on a wall. 10 little kittens sitting on a wall. And if a silly puppy should tempt one to fall, there'll be 9 little kittens sitting on a wall. 9 little kittens sitting on a wall. 9 little kittens sitting on a wall. And if a feathered hat should tempt one to fall, there'll be 8 little kittens sitting on a wall. 8 little kittens sitting on a wall. 8 little kittens sitting on a wall. And if a tiny spider should tempt one to fall, there'll be 7 little kittens sitting on a wall. 7 little kittens sitting on a wall. 7 little kittens sitting on a wall. And if a dainty field mouse should tempt one to fall, there'll be 6 little kittens sitting on a wall. 6 little kittens sitting on a wall. 6 little kittens sitting on a wall. And if some blowing leaves should tempt one to fall, there'll be 5 little kittens sitting on a wall. 5 little kittens sitting on a wall. 5 little kittens sitting on a wall. And if a butterfly should tempt one to fall, there'll be 4 little kittens sitting on a wall. 4 little kittens sitting on a wall. 4 little kittens sitting on a wall. And if a nesting bluebird should tempt one to fall, there'll be 3 little kittens sitting on a wall. 3 little kittens sitting on a wall. 3 little kittens sitting on a wall. And if a buzzing bee should tempt one to fall, there'll be 2 little kittens sitting on a wall. 2 little kittens sitting on a wall. 2 little kittens sitting on a wall. And if a ball of string should tempt one to fall, there'll be 1 little kitten sitting on a wall. 1 little kitten sitting on a wall. 1 little kitten sitting on a wall. And if a boy and girl should tempt one to fall, there'll be no little kittens sitting on a wall. No more little kittens sitting on a wall.
The end. Very good. Well done. Give me a high five. Whee! Let's clap and count to 10. Are you ready? So we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Well done. Let's go backwards. Okay? You show teacher 10 fingers. Can you try? 10 fingers. Good. And we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well done, superstar. It is time to sing goodbye. Goodbye. See you again. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you again. Oh, very good. Bye. See you next time.